Learners and leaders. Two great buildings, one fabulous school.
My name is Lynn, and I'm the school leader. Here at Learners and Leaders, we like to say we have two great buildings and we're one fabulous school. Today we want to give you the kindergarten experience. You will meet kindergarten teachers, visit kindergarten classrooms, and see other facilities that your children will use during their educational life here at the school.
Hi! Welcome to the 305 campus. Come on in, let me give you a tour of our building. Welcome to Learners and Leaders. I'm Miss Sabrina, one of the assistant principals. I welcome you to our school community. I'd love to show you around at our fabulous building. Meet Miss Arlene. She's our safety agent. Hi. She makes sure that all of the boys and girls are safe. She even knows all of the boys and girls' first names, and even their family members. This is our cafeteria. Meet Miss Maria, our head cook.
Hi everybody, welcome to my school.
So this is our cafeteria. This is where the boys and girls get to have lunch each and every day. In addition, we use this space for morning arrival and dismissal. My very favorite place of all is when the boys and girls get to go and play over at the playground right behind me. Come check it out. Welcome to the 305 campus playground. This is my favorite place of all. This is a place where the boys and girls get to come outside for recess and play with their friends. Don't worry, we got you covered, because on days like today, if there's snow on the ground or rain outside, boys and girls get a chance to play inside in the gym. Here's our main office. Come on in. This is the heart of our school. This is the main office. Parents, if you have any questions or concerns, you can call the main office and one of our friendly staff members is always available here to help you with any questions you may have. Meet one of our school aides, Miss Michelle.
Please hold. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to our school. Can't wait to meet you all. Bienvenidos a nuestra escuela, familias. Espero conocerlo pronto.
And here is one of our fabulous paraprofessionals, Miss Soha.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Soha. I am one of the paraprofessionals at PS 305 and I'm also help the school to communicate with Arabic speaking parents. Hi, معكم مس سهى. بشتغل هنا paraprofessional وبساعد المدرسة انها تتواصل مع العائلات اللي بتتكلم عربي.
Welcome to the nurse's office. Meet Miss Beljeet. She's our full-time school nurse.
Hello everyone, welcome to PS305. I just want to share with you that if your child has any medical concern or any medical issues, you can always reach out to me. Always welcome here.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Sonia and I am a 3K teacher at PS 305. I absolutely love teaching 3K. We have so much fun and we have an exciting and wonderful program at our school. We start our day very early in the morning, and the minute we arrive, we get to start socializing and having fun and having so much fun with the children. So our typical day is arrival, the children have breakfast, then we have a morning meeting where we have the children share and we sing songs. Then we go into our centers. We are a play-based program, so most of our learning is happening through play. We have so many fun centers. We have dramatic play, blocks, we have water center, sand table, arts, crafts, puppets, table toys, and many, many more. And the children play and engage in centers, and myself and our para and whoever's in the classroom sits with the children and helps them to learn. We really work on socialization, on turn taking, and just overall life skills. And then we also have lunch in our classroom together, and then there is a nap time. We also use our playground that's right outside our building, and we have outdoor time. Sometimes we go to the gym or the library, depending on the day. But we are busy, we are learning, we are thriving, we are safe, and I highly recommend enrolling your child in pre-K because it's really a great way to build a strong foundation for future learning. So thank you, and I hope to see all of you soon.
At Learners and Leaders, protecting everyone from coronavirus is very important. We promote safe behaviors throughout the school.
Hi, my name is Mr. Vic, and I am the other assistant principal at Learners and Leaders. This is the TRS Gymatorium. It is both a gymnasium and an auditorium. When it is a gymnasium, students in grades 3, 4, and 5 visit and participate in physical activity. Just like in the 305 campus, stations are set up that they visit. When it is an auditorium, students from both buildings come and visit. They can perform and watch performance at the TRS campus. And this is our all-purpose room that we converted into a gymnasium where students come and perform physical activities at each and every one of the centers that are set up. This is one of our 2 art rooms at Learners and Leaders. Children come to the art room to express themselves artistically in different mediums of art. Not only do we teach art at Learners and Leaders, we also have partnerships with outside organizations where children have made murals in this building and also in our Feeding Middle School. These 2 beautiful murals that you see at the front entrance of the TRS building were done by former 5th grade students. We received a grant that collaborated us with IS 93. The students from IS 93 were former students of Learners and Leaders. The Colorful World of Friendship is a beautiful mural that is proudly displayed on the first floor of the 305 campus. We received a grant that allowed 4th and 5th grade students to create this beautiful artistic display. This is the TRS Campus Science Lab. Students in grades K to 2 learn science in their classroom, but students in grades 3, 4, and 5 receive their instruction right here in this wonderful science lab. This is one of our 2 libraries at Learners and Leaders. Children have free access to all the wonderful literature books that you see on the shelves next to me. Also, during the day, the library is converted into a technology lab where students learn wonderful programs such as coding.
Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!
Hi everyone, it's me, Cody the Coding Dog. And I'm so excited because you know why they call me the Coding Dog? Because I love coding.
We have a very committed parent empowerment program. School personnel works together with parents. Parents also have the opportunity to join the PTA Executive Board school leadership team and can volunteer within the school. When volunteering in the school, they can be helping out the PTA, helping in the cafeteria, and helping with clerical work within the main office, or even help teachers out. Thank you so much for considering our school and meeting your child's educational needs. See you soon.
We've hoped you've enjoyed this virtual tour of our very special school. Finding the right school for your child can be challenging and a little frightening. At Learners and Leaders, every child is precious to every member of our staff. If you send your child to Learners and Leaders, you can be confident that your child will be with loving, caring, and highly trained teachers. We know this has been a hard year because of COVID. If COVID is still an issue in September, then we will continue to do everything we can to ensure that to promote safe behaviors and ensure that everyone stays safe and healthy. We hope to see you soon.